Did you just buy a Samsung TV and want to be sure it's genuine? In this quick guide, I will show you how to verify your Samsung TV's information directly from the settings menu in less than a minute. Grab your Samsung TV remote and press the settings button. Navigate to all settings and open it. Scroll down and select support. Under support, scroll down and click about this TV. Here you see important details about your TV, including TV name, model code, serial number, software version. Now compare the details with the information printed on the TV box or carton. You can also check the sticker at the back of the TV if the details are the same. If the model code, serial number or other details do not match with what is displayed on your TV, you should investigate further and contact the seller or Samsung support for verification. And that's how you can quickly check your Samsung TV information and verify its authenticity. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more TV tips and tutorials. Thank you.